I have been trading Forex for 2 years. I know the challenges platform with high commissions and low win rates for current players, but if you follow smart signals, you're always in the right place. That's why I have studied the market and developing a top trading strategy. I have already made more than $40,000 with it, and now I'm ready to teach you. Watch this video until the end and I will show you step by step how it works. Hello dear trader, this is Diana. I have been trading for over 7 years and over the last year I made over $1.5 million. Do you want to know how I managed to earn so much? Join my Telegram channel. There you will find a big community of 26,000 members. Guess what? Every day we trade together. There, simply repeat my transaction and together we earn a lot every day. It's all free. And they have my personal support. Join via the first link in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, let me teach you the strategy. I have tested it more than 20 times already. And my win rate is always about 95%. Can you imagine? So, I set myself an ambitious task for this session. I should earn $4,000 from $19. Of course, we will trade on my favorite platform, Pocket Option. I have been using it for more than 3 years and earned my first million with it. Let's set everything up very quickly. Follow me. You need to set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds and the trade time to 1 minute. Second, select currency pairs. Today we will trade AUD and Canadian dollar, AUD and Swiss franc, and US dollar, Canadian dollar, and Swiss franc. Perfect! Now on to indicators. Today we will take a very effective combination, Aron and Bollinger Bands, both with very standard parameters. If you are curious about why this indicator combo is so successful, watch this video to the end and I will break it down for you. But first, tell me, do you know any cool traders? If yes, share in the comments. Wouldn't it be cool if we all learn about new experts? Yeah, that's right. Well, it's time for real magic. Of course, no one is going to levitate, but I am very determined to increase the amount of my deposit. Now let's move on to demonstrating our profitable strategy. Let's get started. Canadian and Swiss franc, Aron shows us that a downtrend is about to start, which means it is sideways, and the red candle will completely cover the green one. So we are going short pressing clover. We are off to a good start. In 1 minute our account almost doubled, $36. Awesome! I will skip Australian dollar and US dollar for now. The situation is controversial and I don't want to take unnecessary risks. AUD and Swiss franc, both indicators indicate a continuation of the bearish trend. Let's not argue with them and go lower. A little more. Fantastic! How well our indicators work, right? Our account balance has grown even bigger. We have 69 bucks. Let's move on to the next one. Australian and Canadian dollars. The chart shows a very strong bullish impulse, which raises doubt that the movement will continue. A correction is too likely. Click lower. We like seeing this. Our total reached $133 and we are already in the black by 100 bucks. It's time to like this video because I am sharing with you most advanced ways to make money online. Back to business. Canadian Swiss franc, apparently a new level is being formed, but at the same time there is an uptrend. Since even periodically the price still increases, we are going bullish on this one, pressing higher. You see it, right? Great strategy. Now I have 255 bucks in my account. This is how we can quickly make money on Forex. So the Australian dollar and US dollar situation is again controversial. I will skip this pair because it's a big risk that we don't need to take. AUD and Swiss franc is in a slight consolidation, but we are still seeing an upward movement, pressing higher. Perfect! We have $490. Therefore, we slowly and calmly continue trading. By the way, I recommend watching another video with an amazing and profitable strategy, thanks to which I was able to turn $20 into $653. Not bad, huh? I think not. Take a look, study this strategy, click here or follow the link in the description to watch the video. Australian and Canadian dollars again. Both of our indicators predict a falling price, and it is clear that the green peaks are at their maximum level here, so we expect the price to plummet from here on. Clicking lower. Great! The amount is now at $940 and it's time to move on. Canadian Swiss franc, the pair shows a very sluggish upward movement through constantly repeating sideways. This means we need to wait for a reversal from the support level. We are approaching higher. Wonderful! Income has reached $1,805 and this makes me happy. Let's move on to the next one. AUD and US dollars. So the candles have reached their maximum range and we expect a rebound and a downward trend going lower. Yes, it happens. The couple paints an ambiguous situation twice, but then everything becomes clearer and we won. Amazing! Do you know how to make money with the Forex even faster? $2,725 from $19 in 10 minutes. Have you ever earned such amounts in such a short period of time? So, a couple of pairs are no longer available, it happens. The relationship between the prices of the two currencies no longer occurs, for the interest rates fall and then the pair closes for trading. So, let's just move on to the next one. Australian and Canadian dollar, it is logical to expect a good upward movement here. We can see that the balls are actively trying to break the trend, but let's be brave and go bullish. Click higher. And now it's time to talk about the indicators that help us navigate this session. So let's start with Aron. It is an indicator designed to determine the trend, primarily its strength in direction, and also it means to indicate the formation of a new trend or its absence. This allows us traders to adjust our strategy in time. The Bollinger Band graphically consists of 3 lines. The moving average is in the center. It indicates the direction of price movement, and the 2 lines around it show the price volatility. If the width between them increases, then the market is unstable, and if the channel between them narrows, then this indicates stability. In combination, these indicators help analyze the chart in relation to volatility. In relation to the trend, it helps to successfully predict market behavior in the future. Fabulous! $3,645 in our pocket! So, trade number 10, Canadian Swiss franc. We see continuation of the upward trend, which will most likely end soon, but on the minute time frame, we will have time to take our profit. Therefore, press higher button. Brilliant! Let's give a round of applause because it was a real beauty. From just $19, we made an incredible $4,565 in just about 10 to 12 minutes. It's truly a masterpiece session and my strategy worked out great once again. If you are on the hunt for profitable strategies and signals, I highly recommend joining my Telegram channel. A lot of subscribers trade with me and together we earn between 600,000 to 700,000 daily using the most profitable strategies with a win rate 88.2%. Take a look at their happy testimonials. Our subscriber was about to give up on trading before finding my channel. They appreciate the help and are thrilled to make real money thanks to my guidance. They have figured out how to use pocket option, which buttons to press and all the details. And it's all completely free. As you can see, trading and signals are not that difficult at all. Just copy my trades and you could earn around $900 a day. All you need to do is to join my free Telegram channel and send me a private message. Follow the link in the description or the pinned comment under this video. Today's session was simply amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment on my videos and of course subscribe to the channel. I also recommend watching this awesome video where you will see me earning over $9,000. Click here or look for the link in the description and be sure to share links to my channel with your friends. We are building the largest and strongest community of traders. I love everyone. Sending kisses. Bye and see you on my Telegram.